Whoever told you your 20s are for building or your 20s are your building stage, that person didn't lie you. Take it from me today. That person never lied, because realistically, your 20s are meant for you building. Your 20s, in fact, your 20s are not even meant for building, but your 20s are meant for learning. Your 20s are meant for making mistakes. It is okay if you are not where you want to go to. It is totally fine if you're just so confused. It's totally fine if you have not even found your purpose. It's totally fine if you don't even have a direction. Trust me when I say your 20s are meant for discovery. Your 20s are meant for alignment. Your 20s are meant for making mistakes. So for you watching this video, if you know you are still within that age bracket of 20 to 29 years old, it is totally fine. Whatever it is you're passing through, take it from me. That age range is just the absolute best age for you to get whatever it is you want to get right. How you go about it is now where you need to focus more on. That is also what matters more. An example of what it is you need to do in your 20s is find purpose. I will talk about this always. Try making sure you find out what your purpose is on earth. You're existing as a human being. Why do you think you're existing? Why were you born in the first place? Why were you created? This is what purpose is all about. What is your mission statement? What were you born to do? Ask yourself certain questions. Because it is when you start living life on purpose, that is the only time you will enjoy absolute fulfillment, happiness, sense of living and existing. But until then, you're only breathing oxygen. So one of the first things you need to do if you are in your 20s is to try making sure you find out what your purpose on earth is. That core reason why God created you. What is that thing? You need to find out what that thing is, and make sure that everything it is you're doing, where you're going to, your direction, the steps, the actions align with that purpose. And trust me, when you do that, you will enjoy life to the fullest. That is number one. Number two, during your 20s, you're permitted to make every form of mistakes you can make. It is permitted. No one is coming to judge you. No one is coming to crucify you. No one is coming to tell you X, Y, Z of you didn't do this right, you didn't. It's fine. You will get feedback, but at the same time, it is the best time for you to make mistakes. Why is mistakes or failures necessary or important in your 20s? Mistakes and failure are feedback of the things you need to work more on, the things you need to give more attention to. But these days, a lot of persons are running away from failures. They are running away from mistakes. Even most people are even seeing it as the opposite of success. The more you fail, the chances of your success will increase. That's number two. Number three, you need to learn. You need to be aggressive. You need to gain knowledge. You need to be hungry for information. Learn different skills. Find out what is that thing. Find out that thing you can do better. There are a whole lot more, but I wouldn't want to make this video to be so lengthy. But take it from me that whoever made that statement or that sentence that your 20s are for learning, they are your building stage. Your 20s are for making mistakes, learning, unlearning. That person is absolutely right. I just hope this video helps someone out there. Peace.